Good morning students. Welcome to the VBPS online class. This is your computer period and I am your computer teacher. Students, yesterday I taught you the output devices, that is monitor and scanner. Okay. So output devices are the devices or part of a computer that gives the result after processing the input. Okay. So now today I will going to start other output devices. These are printer, scanner, headphones and etc. Okay. So let us start our today's work. The other output devices, that is printer students, a printer gives the output onto a sheet of a paper. Okay, so the printed output is called hard copy. So students, let us start our today's work. So student, yesterday I taught you the output device. There are many output device. Some commonly used output devices are first monitor. Okay, so I already told you that monitor is looked like a television. It is also known as a visual display unit. It displays the output produced by the computer and after processing the input. It can show both text and pictures. Okay, so the output displayed by the monitor is called soft copy, and the two common types of monitors are CRT and LED. Okay, so students, what is the difference between LED and CRT? आपके घर में LED TV है ना? So I hope you understand. So first CRT, cathode ray tube. This is CRT. It is bigger in size and takes more space. It commonly more power. It is bulky. And LED, it is thinner and takes less space. Okay. Second, it consumes less power. Third, it is light in weight. So students, this is the difference between CRT and LED computer monitor. Okay. Now our second topic is printer. This is the second output device. So students, a printer gives the output onto a sheet of paper. This printer output is called hard copy. Okay, the most commonly used printer are dot matrix, laser and inkjet. So printer, आप कुछ भी टाइप हम करते हैं कंप्यूटर पे, सो कंप्यूटर एक आउटपुट के फॉर्म में हमें प्रिंटर से रिज़ल्ट देता है. ओके, ये हार्ड कॉपी के फॉर्म में होता है एंड प्रिंटर गिव्स द आउटपुट ऑन टू अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. ओके, एंड दिस शीट ऑफ पेपर इज कॉल्ड हार्ड कॉपी like this. Okay students, and commonly used printers are dot matrix, laser and inkjet. So I hope you understand. Now our next output device is speaker. This is speaker. Okay, speakers. So speaker, yes, you all are known that is what is a speaker. Speakers are used to play music and other sounds stored in a computer. Speakers are used to play music and other sounds stored in a computer. A computer system may have inbuilt speakers. Otherwise, external speakers can be connected with CPU through wires. Got it? A computer system may have inbuilt speakers. Otherwise, internal speakers can be connected with CPU through wires. Note For example, laptop have inbuilt speakers. Inbuilt speakers means आपका जो सिस्टम में फीड हो, जैसे लैपटॉप है, लैपटॉप में आपका ऑलरेडी स्पीकर्स फीड रहते हैं, तो इससे आपको अलग से स्पीकर्स लगाने की हमें नीड नहीं होती है. सो लैपटॉप हैव इनबिल्ट स्पीकर. इफ़ अगर हमारे उसमें नहीं है तो वी हैव यूज एक्सटर्नल स्पीकर्स. It can be connected with CPU through wires. Okay students, so these are two output devices, printer and speaker. Okay, the last one is headphones. This is your headphone. Got it? This is your headphone. So headphones or earphones are small speakers that can be worn in or around your ears. They let the user listen to any sound from the computer without disturbing others. Okay? ईयरफोन एंड हेडफोन हम लगा के सुन सकते हैं, हम किसी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? इसके थ्रू मीन्स हम अगर खुद म्यूज़िक सुनना चाहते हैं और कोई दूसरा नहीं सुनना चाहता है, सो वी कैन यूज़ हेडफोन्स. गॉट इट? अगेन आई रिपीट, देयर आर प्रिंटर, द आउटपुट डिवाइस, speaker and headphones. A printer gives the output onto the sheet of paper. This printer output is called hard copy. Okay, and the commonly used printers are dot matrix, laser and inkjet. Now speakers are used to play music and other sounds stored in a computer. A computer system may have inbuilt speaker, otherwise external speakers can be connected with CPU through wires. For example, laptop have inbuilt speakers. Now headphones or earphones are small speakers that can be worn in or around your ears. They let the user listen to any sound from the computer without disturbing other. Okay? So students, a handset is like a headphone and has a microphone attached to it. It is both an input and output devices. Got it? Okay students. So if you have any doubt about today's topic, so ask me. Okay? Good day to all of you students.